crane. Don't stop. Now we need to fill it. Lift crane. Pump. Keep it up. Let's finish the porch. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. You're doing really great. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Garbage truck. Don't stop. Now we need to fill it. Garbage truck. Pump. Keep it up. Let's remove the construction waste. We need to wash. Garbage truck. Hooray! First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's plant the trees in the yard. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Hooray! We did it! We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Ready. First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Don't stop. And now we can finish construction. You've built a beautiful house.